Hi, I'm Sebastián from Randal Systems. Today, I'd like to introduce our Hull Hero system, an underwater hull cleaning solution that complies with the upcoming and more restrictive IMO environmental requisites, designed for professional diving companies seeking a cost-effective, efficient way to contribute to a more sustainable future for the maritime industry. Hull Hero is a compact, robust hull cleaning system fully manufactured in the European Union. It effectively cleans hulls and underwater structures and retrieves the debris with a certified waste collection and filtration system, fully compliant with the new regulations that will be enforced in 2027. The system is made up of 5 main components: the cleaning unit, connected with its umbilical, the power pack, the filtration system, and a CCTV setup as the main controlling element that allows for real-time monitoring of the operation. Everything designed for a fast deployment with a minimal footprint on deck and setup taking just a few minutes. Our technology is patented and backed by immediate technical support, and spare parts can be made available worldwide. This allows any professional diving company to integrate Hull Hero easily into their daily operations with fast deployment, full autonomy, and proven reliability. And the best of all, you will start earning and recovering your investment from day one. And for hard-to-reach areas, we have the Hull Hero Micro. 2 handheld tools, a brush and a propeller polisher, both featuring waste capture and filtration. Together, they provide a complete solution for sustainable hull cleaning. The change has already begun. Hull Hero helps professional diving companies grow sustainably, efficiently, and in a profitable way. There may be other systems on the market, but none as competitive as Hull Hero. Moreover, we offer flexible financing options, so your company can adopt this technology without breaking the bank. Hull Hero brings together advanced technology, sustainability, and profitability in one solution. The future of underwater cleaning ready to start today. With Hull Hero, keep your operations clean, green, and running lean.